Hello and welcome back. In this section, we're going to cover everything you need to know about reports in order to pass your Salesforce certification exam. And let's start by defining what a Salesforce report is, a list of records that meet the criteria you define. It's displayed in Salesforce in rows and columns, and it can be filtered, grouped, or displayed in a graphical chart. Reports are stored in folders, and folders can be public, hidden, or shared. When you share access to a folder, you do so based on roles, permissions, public groups, and license types. You can also control the level of access between view, edit, and manage. Users who have the view permission can view what is contained in that folder. Users with edit permission can view, edit, rename, and delete what is contained in that folder, as well as saving new reports to it. Users who are granted manage permissions can do all of the above, plus share a folder, rename it, change the folder's sharing settings, and delete it. You can make a folder available to your entire organization or make it private so that only the owner has access to it. Another great feature of Salesforce is that you can subscribe to reports. That way you automatically get emailed the report that you've subscribed to as often as you want it. This can be daily, weekly, or monthly. You could choose if you are sent the report as an attachment, either in the formatted report or details only format. If the report is in a shared folder, then you can subscribe other users to it either by using users, roles as subordinates, or members of a public group. However, the users being subscribed to the report must have access to the folder where the report is stored. You can set who the report is run as, but be aware of how the security settings of your org will affect the data returned. You can also set conditions so that you are sent the report once a certain criteria is hit, such as record count. You can export reports by selecting export, where you'll then be able to choose if the report is in the formatted style or you just get the details only. When exporting a formatted report, it will be in an XLSX file format, whereas details only will give you either a XLS, XLSX, or a CSV format. The maximum number of rows on a report is 2000. So now that we've got that covered, let's go and create a report.